Hi boys and girls! Today I'm coming to you live from my kitchen laboratory where, with the help of my assistant professor Noah, say hi, we are going to show you how to make a super cool science experiment. We're going to make a lava lamp. So if you're ready, I'm going to show you the materials that you will need to get started. All right, Noah, what do we need? First, we will need some oil. You will need a glass. It doesn't have to be made of glass. It can be plastic, filled about 1/4 of the way full with water. You will need some liquid food coloring, and you will need some alka-seltzer tablets. This actually comes in a pack of 2, so it's perfect. So the first thing we are going to do is, if you have not already done so, fill up the cup about 1/4 of the way with water. The next thing that we're going to do, Noah, is take our food coloring and put just a few drops directly into the water. So let's use a spoon and mix it up. And you can use any color you want. You can use your favorite color, red, blue, yellow, but I'm going to use purple. The water's purple. So the next thing is we're going to take our oil and pour it directly into the same cup as the water. Now we don't want to fill it all the way to the tippy top, but we're going to keep pouring oil until it is almost full. So I think there's a good place to stop. And look, observe what happens to the water and the oil. Do they mix together? What happens is the water is actually lighter, it's heavier. You're right, I made a mistake. The water is heavier than the oil. That's why it sinks to the bottom. And the oil is lighter, so it stays on the top. Look, and now look what we're going to do. We're going to take our alka-seltzer tablet, break it into little pieces. No, they don't have to be perfect. And then we're going to drop, look Noah, we're going to drop the alka-seltzer tablet into the cup. And let's see what happens. Whoa. Look at that, it's making bubbles. This alka-seltzer tablet, as it dissolves in the water, it's creating a gas called carbon dioxide. Yes, and since gas is even lighter than water and oil, look, it floats to the top. Look how cool. So that is your lava lamp. Wow, isn't that cool? As long as the little tablet is dissolving, it's going to continue bringing the bubbles with colored water up to the top. Whoa, that's right. Whoa. And once the gas is released from the top, the water gets heavy again and it goes back down to the bottom of the glass. Isn't that cool? Okay, boys and girls, thank you so much for joining us today. We hope that you had fun making your lava lamp. And remember, science is messy. It's okay to get messy, just as long as you make sure to clean it all up afterwards. All right, boys and girls, have a wonderful day. I hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time.